Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Nathan J. Opido. I'm 28 years old from Philippines. I am married. I have one kid, ages 8 years old, a boy. My educational attainment is a college graduate. I graduated at Isabela State University, Philippines in year 2018. I took BSBA major in Human Resources Development Management. I have experience as nanny/helper here in Philippines in year 2020 to 2022. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults, 1 toddler, and 1 child, ages 2 and 5 years old, boy and girl. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of the kids, preparing the meals, feed them, bathing them, and changing clothes, and teach them how to write and read, counting the number, identify the color and shape, and sometimes singing and dancing. And I will do also the household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, folded clothes, ironing, washing dishes, cooking, marketing, gardening. And I have also experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years in year 2024 to 2026. I finished my contract. I served for 4 members of the family, 2 adults, and 2 children ages 15 and 16 years old, both boy. My duties and responsibilities is preparing the herbal morning juice for the family and also prepare the water bottle for the 2 boys bringing in school and or activities. And I will do also the household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, sometimes marketing, gardening, cooking, folded clothes, and I am hardworking, honest, responsible, and kind. And I promise I will treat your children as my own. I will love and care and respect them. And thank you, Mom and Sir. I hope I will work to your family soon.